Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN, a deep dive into privacy and performance. In this video, we're exploring ExpressVPN, a top-rated VPN service. Why is it so highly regarded? Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out in the crowded VPN market. ExpressVPN is designed for users who value online privacy, unrestricted access to content worldwide, and a smooth online experience. Known for its speed, reliability, and robust security, it's a powerful tool for navigating the digital world. With a vast network exceeding 3,000 servers spread across 94 countries, you can connect from virtually anywhere, minimizing speed drops often experienced with other VPN providers. This extensive network makes it ideal for data-intensive activities like streaming, gaming, or even just casual browsing. When it comes to streaming, ExpressVPN shines. It effortlessly bypasses regional restrictions on popular platforms such as Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer, giving you access to a wider range of content. Security is paramount, and ExpressVPN takes it seriously. Employing military-grade 256-bit AES encryption, a kill switch, and DNS IPv6 leak protection, your data is well protected from prying eyes. Furthermore, their independently audited no-logs policy guarantees that your browsing history and personal data are never stored or sold. Adding an extra layer of security, their trusted server technology ensures all data is wiped clean with every server reboot. Setting up ExpressVPN is incredibly easy, regardless of your device. Whether you're using a smartphone, laptop, smart TV, or even a router, the process is straightforward. With support for up to 8 simultaneous connections, it's a perfect solution for families or small teams. The app itself boasts a clean, user-friendly interface available across all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. So, who is ExpressVPN for? It's an excellent choice for anyone concerned about online privacy in today's increasingly surveilled digital landscape. It's also a valuable tool for frequent travelers needing secure public Wi-Fi access and those seeking to bypass censorship in regions with restricted internet access. While ExpressVPN sits at a slightly higher price point than some competitors, its premium features and exceptional performance justify the cost. The combination of speed, security, and global reach provides a compelling package. In conclusion, ExpressVPN is a solid and trustworthy option for both beginners and experienced VPN users. For a deeper dive into the features and to try it yourself, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.